Wire bending tools are essential for neatly and safely routing cables inside electrical cabinets, panels, and switches. Selecting the right tool depends on the cable size, application, and space constraints. Several manufacturers offer wire bending tools designed for various cable sizes. For bending cables up to #2 American wire gauge or AUG, consider the Klein Tool 690, the Greenlee 723, the Ideal 30-252, or the Southwire 90350 wire benders. For bending cables up to #4 AWG, consider the Panduit CBS-800 wire bender. For bending cables up to #6 AWG, the Gardner Bender 130-110 wire bender is an option. For smaller cables, the Burndy A2511 bends cables up to #8 AWG, the Anderson Power Products 15-2600 bends cables up to #10 AWG, the Phoenix Contact 1804194 bends cables up to #14 AWG, and the Weidmuller 155040000 bends cables up to #16 AWG. When working with larger cables, specifically those exceeding #4 AWG, different tools are required. The Klein Tool 691 is designed for bending cables up to 350 MCM, while the Greenlee 724, Ideal 30-253, and Southwire 90351 wire benders can handle cables up to 500 MCM. For even larger cables, the Panduit CBS-1200 can bend cables up to 750 MCM. Some wire bending tools are specifically designed for use inside cabinets, panels, and switch applications. The Panduit EXP-1500 enclosed cable bender is specifically designed for bending cables inside enclosures. The Southwire CB5000 cable bender is ergonomically designed for use in tight spaces. The Anderson Power Products 8-675-FD wire bender is compact and portable, making it ideal for panel applications. The Weidmuller 15533,350,000 wire bender is suitable for bending cables in DIN rail applications. When selecting a wire bending tool, there are several additional factors to consider. Firstly, materials. Wire bending tools are typically made of steel, hardened steel, or aluminum. Secondly, handles. Choose tools with comfortable handles for extended use. Thirdly, calibration. Ensure that the tool is calibrated to the specific cable size and material. Safety is paramount when using wire bending tools. Always wear gloves and eye protection to prevent injury.